Hello, what is your name?
Theresa Baugh.
What is your job title and description?
I'm a dental hygienist. I work for a general dentist where I take medical histories, I perform dental cleanings, I take care of people's periodontal health, I do deep scaling, I administer local anesthesia, and I'm licensed to administer nitrous oxide.
What education is necessary for this profession?
When I went to school, it was necessary to get a 4-year degree, and I have a Bachelor's of Science in Dental Hygiene. But now there are pilot schools where if you do the prerequisites to get into a program, there's a 2-year program that's just based on learning dental hygiene.
How does one get this job?
Well, you apply for the job, and some dentists have working interviews where they have you work for a day and see if you fit into their practice and see what the patients think. Or you can just get hired, and that's how you get the job.
What are some day-to-day activities?
My day-to-day activity is to go in and set up my room, make sure everything is sterile, seat the patient, review their medical history, scale their teeth, polish their teeth. If they do not have good dental hygiene, it is my job to teach them the proper way to take care of their mouth. And I diagnose any kind of dental disease and communicate with the doctor on my findings, and the doctor double checks to make sure that my findings are correct.
What are some interesting aspects of this job?
What I like most about my job that's interesting is that you get to work with people, all kinds of people, and you get to know their life stories, and you take an interest in what they do, their life, their family's life, and it just is a nice way to be able to help people in the healthcare profession.
What is the hardest part of your job?
The hardest part of my job is probably after I take the time to teach somebody how to take care of their teeth and give them the proper tools to take care of their teeth, that once they're gone, their compliance isn't very good. And so you're constantly looking for new ways to get through to people to show them the importance of good dental hygiene and how it can affect your body and your teeth.
Would you recommend this job to someone, and why?
I would recommend this job to someone. Most dental hygienists are not hired full-time, so if you would like to be a mother and stay home with your kids a few days a week, you could. You could work 2 days, you could work 1 day. You could also work full-time if that's what you chose to do. It pays pretty well, and it's rewarding in many ways.
What inspired you to pursue this career?
I was inspired by my family. My father was an oral surgeon, and I have 2 brothers that are dentists, and every time we sat together as a family, the talk usually revolved around dentistry. And I started at age 15 working for my father, and I just really liked to watch all of them and how they interacted with their patients and took care of people.
Thank you.
You're welcome.